I have an honest confession to make. I'm nervous like hell. And that's because of two reasons. One is, this is the first film event I have ever attended. I've only been watching film events on TV. And it's not fair that the first event happens to be for my own film. And secondly, I'm nervous because there's so many people who like to convey my gratitude, but I'm scared that I might miss out on a few names, and pardon me if I do that. For a lot of people, zombies are stuff of nightmares. But for me, it's been an incredible dream. First of all, obviously, I'd like to thank my mom, mother, father, my brother, sister, for always believing in me. And I'd like to thank my wife who's here for, supporting me every inch of the way and backing my instinct. Thank you, Anuradha. And there are so many names I would like to thank. I'll start with, first of all, Varun Tej Garu. Thank you very much for making it. I heard you rushed straight from the shoot. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me, sir. And then I would like to thank Anand Pendumacha, without whom this wouldn't have been possible, Anand. I wouldn't be standing here giving this speech without you. And then my brother, Prabha Chintal Pati, who's been like a rock of Gibraltar, supporting every inch of the way. And then finally, the man who matters most, this wizard called Prashant Varma. Thank you, Prashant. I still recall the day when I met him for the first time. Anand introduced me to him. I was waiting in his office. The office is called Village. And it was a 4:30 appointment, I guess. And then we were waiting, and Prashant was a few minutes late. I was waiting inside, and I saw one kid walking into the office. And obviously, I didn't know that he was the director, because I always felt directors are about 40 years and above. But here I see a kid. I thought he was a hero coming into seeking a role with the director. But then when he walked in, Anand introduced me, saying that he's Prashant Varma, the director. I was obviously aghast that I didn't know that directors come in such a young age. I was always fascinated with this industry. I wanted to be a director. But seeing this incredibly talented directors, I knew that I didn't stand a chance. So I decided to become a producer, because as you say, if you can't lick them, join them. Pardon me for this long speech, because there's so many people I'd like to thank from the bottom of my heart, because this film, this project means the world to me. And this wouldn't have been possible without the incredible support of every single cast and crew. And coming back to Prashant, when Prashant narrated Zombie Reddy, I was simply blown away. We were to do another film at that point of time, but over a drink, he just said, let's do Zombie Reddy. I was obviously blown away with that concept. And I said, can you start shooting immediately? He said, yes. And that's how it's got underway. 5th February 2020 was the first day of the shoot. And 5th February 21, the film will be on the screens. So it's been an incredible 1 year, and we had challenges. We shot pre-COVID, post-COVID, and with the grace of God, we came unscathed without any untoward event. And thanks to all the cast and crew for standing by and then pulling off a miracle. Next, I would like to thank, I can go on and on talking about Prashant Varma, because this guy is a maverick genius. And make no mistake, guys, this kid is just getting started. Still got a long way to go. And 10 years from now, you'll be seeing something in him. And the cast and crew, I'll start with Anandi. She's not here, okay. I've never met her, and thank you very much. And Daksha, and Teja. Teja, what can I say about Teja? He's just been a hero, not only on screen, but off screen also. The kind of support system he stood by me. all through the promotion and the publicity. Thanks, Teja. And I'm sure after Zombie Ready, you'll get into a different league. And when I come and request you for dates, please do not refuse. Yeah. And Robin, whenever anybody had seen the trailer or the teaser, they all have been raving about the background score of Robin. So thanks for the contribution, Robin. You've been incredible in giving the background score. I'm proud of you. And cinematographer, Anit, thank you very much. Prashant has been raving about you from the Kalki days. Thanks for being part of Zombie Ready. And the editor and the production team, everybody, pardon me if I've missed out some names. As I said, I was nervous because of that one particular reason. And thank you ever so much for making this dream come true today. And we are just hours away from the launch. And I'm sure I'll have the best wishes of each and everyone. And thanks the media. Thank you. Special thanks to the media for being here. Please support us. We need whatever you can do for the film. And thank you, Sneha. Thank you, wherever you are. Yeah, thank you very much. And yeah, that's it, I guess. Thank you, ma'am. You're doing an incredible job.
Thank you.
Keep it up.
Sir. Thank you.
And God bless. All the best. Yeah.
Thank you. Daksha?